spots on my computer earlier on Google, and a new app that I've started using made by Hummingbird. I'm going to show you all that stuff maybe when we get done, hopefully. But got the kids and Randy with us. Kids say hey.
Hi.
But yeah, maybe we can get on some. I'm going to be trying to tell y'all exactly where I'm at, what I'm using, how I'm using it, all that good stuff. Really just want to help everybody out there and catch more fish. But y'all stay tuned. Alright guys, we're out here at Lake Point State Marina. Getting ready to get on the boat. I'm just going to huddle over here, troll over here, wait for Randy and the kids to come, and see what we can do today. Alright, what's up y'all? So, in my last video I went over some of the stuff that I'd be using fishing this time of year and stuff like that, and we try to get a little bit of footage we're going to put up for y'all. We had some camera issues, so we weren't able to get a lot of it, but check out my next video. I'm going to be going over some mapping and how to find fish for this time of year and where they're going to be around using just some basic Google Maps and stuff like that. But thank y'all for checking it out. Like and subscribe.